Hello and welcome to the highlights here at day 3 of this final game between the two sides of the Bank Kalfala presents Kingdom Valley Test Series Pakistan versus England. The match as it starts here on day 3, England winning the toss, getting 267, Pakistan 344. England in their second innings will start the day at 24 for 3, trailing by 53 runs. It'll be Joe Root and Harry Brook to face the music up front here on day 3. Let's join our commentators.
He'll start again to bowl the first ball of day 3. England trail by 53. Can England trust their defense? Can they mix aggression with good defense? In the series, that is such a superb cover drive. When he bats like that, it looks like a proper article.
Yeah, this is where being quick on your feet, making it into a full half volley allows you to play even against the spin. Reverse, hard reverse. He played one earlier that went straight to the man at backward point. This one goes past. Now gone. There's a nick there. Surely there's a noise given. I reckon that was pushed through a bit flatter, a bit quicker, and that is an excellent catch from Rizwan.
And deceiving Brook in the flight as Pope had been deceived the night before. There was about 13 miles an hour difference in these two deliveries. The ball before much slower, flighted up. This one quicker, flatter, encouraging Brook to try and cut the ball behind square. Another excellent piece of bowling from a cricketer who's had a massive impact on this series since coming into it. Harry Brook, big wicket, gone for 26, England 4 down.
Oh, now that's bouncing. Is it bouncing over? It's a poor leave. He may be saved by bounce. He's looking at Root, and he's not even bothering to review. That was a poor leave, and he knows it.
Extraordinary moment, this. Short of form, short of runs, and a complete misjudgment from Ben Stokes, who assumed that that ball was going to spin and head down the leg side. One assumes by the shot, but it went straight on. And England's captain has gone cheaply again, and England now are in deep, deep trouble, 70 for 5.
Beautifully bowled, flighted up, the quicker ball, then the slow one, tempting. And Smith, who played so well in the first innings, has to go. England still behind, 6 down.
Outstanding bowling from these two. Noman first of all, and now Sajid Khan. Seeing Jamie Smith coming, he signalled his intentions early on then, so he held it back, gave it a little bit more air, held it back so that Smith was nowhere near the pitch of the ball. Beautiful piece of bowling, and Jamie Smith, an important wicket, gone cheaply. 6 down England for 75.
Oh, lovely delivery, and that is a huge wicket. Pakistan are all over England. Noman Ali with a lovely piece of left arm spin does for Root.
That's another fifer for the left armer. Wow, what a delivery. What a delivery. Bolted really slow. And it was that line where the batter had to play. 6 5-wicket haul for the left armer. Oh, wow. Wow. Joe Root put up a lot of resistance, but finally walking back after contributing 33 from 52 deliveries, 85 for 7.
Going forward, if you stick to that, the reverse sweep, England have stuck to sweeping. That goes to the fence. Got him! Sajid with another, just goes through the defences yet again. England lose their 8th.
He's unstoppable. He is. He's on to the batsman all the times. And keeps picking up wickets. A bit of loop, a bit of turn, gate between bat and pad, and that was more than enough for Sajid Khan to strike again. And his nine in this test match for England. Yeah, put up a lot of resistance in the first innings, Gus Atkinson, but this time around only 10. It's 97 for 8.
Reverse sweep. And back for 2, maybe that'll race away to the fence. Yes, boundary for Leach to get off the mark. 100 brought up.
Bowled in. 10 wickets in the game once again for the off-spinner Sajid Khan. What an effort. What an impression he has made in this test match series. Sajid Khan.
First spinner to take a 10-wicket haul in Rawalpindi. And the celebrations and thank you to the heavens, but it's been absolutely brilliant. The off-spinner has been turning the ball and challenging every England batter. That little sweep done with the turn and hit leg stump. Sajid Khan has taken the 9th wicket. Rian Ahmed is out for 7. England 106 for 9.
Beautifully bowled.
As Sajid Khan saw with Jamie Smith when he bowled one slower.
Okay, he breaks the stumps.
This one was much quicker
batsman
and
grounded.
wider.
So I'm
Saw Jack
satisfied.
Leach coming,
I made my.
and Rizwan did the rest. Very alert, Rizwan, as he has been throughout the game. Brilliant performance by these two spinners, Noman Ali and Sajid Khan, who've completely turned this game and this series on their head. And quite rightly, they walk off together, hand in hand, arm in arm, taking the applause of the crowd.
It was the Pakistan bowlers. It didn't take long for them to spin a web around England. They managed to bowl England out for 112, and once again, it was a Sajid and Noman show. Between the two of them claiming 10 wickets, Sajid with a 10 for in the game, 4 more to the tally of 6 in his first innings. Noman finishes the game with 9 wickets. In a phenomenal turn of events, Pakistan now require just 36 runs to win as Abdullah Shafiq and Saim Ayub look to register a 2-1 victory over England. Let's join the action with the two batters in the middle.
There's the sweep shot, and there's the evidence of the talent that Saim Ayub is. Another sweep shot, slot sweep. Nicely put away. Strong appeal. England asking for leg before, not to be. The umpire is not moved. He's gone for another DRS.
Original decision is not out. Impact in line. And wicket sitting. Chris, you need to change your decision to out. You're on the screen. Make a signal.
England are off the mark. Saim Ayub leaves the scene early once again. A couple of good shots and then he's out. And that's been the kind of pattern that he has developed in Test match cricket. 8 from 5, 14 for 1. Down the track, gets it away, gets the 4. Yeah, purposeful, meaningful. He gets another 4. Reverse sweep this time. And he goes big, very big. That's a mighty good shot, that. 3 balls, 3 boundaries. He's on 12. Change of angle, goes for reverse, gets another 4. 4 balls, 4 boundaries. And Pakistan now just 6 away from a win. Ah, beauty. That's gone probably all the way, is it? Finishes it with a 6, Shan Masood. Pakistan win the series 2-1. What a remarkable comeback. First series win over England since 2015. They were absolutely gone after that battering in the first test match, and how well they've come back. Pakistan altered the DNA of the pitches, and look at the results. It's just been a remarkable, miraculous turnaround.
Congratulations to that man on screen, Shan Masood, who was under so much pressure after that opening test match in Multan, where Pakistan became the only team to lose by an innings having made more than 500, and that's not one you want on your CV as a captain. But in the last 2 test matches, following the complete transformation of strategy here, Shan has led his side to a remarkable victory.
An emphatic series win as Pakistan registered a 9-wicket victory in the 3rd test match, the decider, to clinch the series 2-1. The match summary was England, who won the toss, put 267 on the board. It was Sajid Khan show in that first innings, bagging a 6 for. Jamie Smith got 89. Pakistan in reply with a 77-run lead, courtesy a brilliant knock by Saud Shakil of 134. Pakistan managed 344. England came out in reply and Pakistan bundled them out for 112. Once again, the spin from Noman in the second innings, bagging 6 for himself. Pakistan, they had a short, sweet job towards the back end. 37 for 1 as Shan Masood, fittingly the captain of Pakistan, remained 23 not out with a glorious 6 to clinch the series and the match. Pakistan winning by 9 wickets and the series 2-1. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights. It's been a pleasure bringing it to you. Till next time, it's goodbye.